Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my group members and I will explain the narrative text. What exactly is a narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. Purpose of narrative text. The purpose of a narrative text is to entertain or inform the readers by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way.
Okay, next material, I explain what are the characteristics of narrative text. There are 4 characteristics of narrative text. Number 1, using past tenses. Number 2, using adverbial of time. Number 3, using adjectives. Number 4, using noun phrases. Next, what does the structure of a narrative text look like? Number 2, orientation. Orientation sets the stage for the story. Number 2, complication. This section contains the problems that occur within a story. Number 3, resolution. The resolution is the part of the narrative where the conflict or problem introduced earlier in the story is resolved or addressed. Number 4, reorientation or evaluation. Reorientation, also known as evaluation, is an optional component of a narrative text that serves to reflect on the story and its events, reinforcing the moral lesson or theme. Okay, next to the material.
Okay, the next material is type of narrative text. Number 1 is fictional narrative. A fictional narrative is a story that is not based on real events or real people. It can be a novel, short story, fable, or fairy tale. Okay, number 2 is autobiography. An autobiography is a narrative text that tells the life story of the author, written from a first-person perspective. Number 3 is memoir. A memoir is a narrative text that focuses on a particular period or event in the author's life, often written from a first-person perspective. Number 3 is biography. A biography is a narrative text that tells the life story of someone other than the author, written from a third-person perspective. Okay, the last is legend. A legend is kind of a folklore. It's a traditional story that has been passed on for generations. It often explains the origin of a particular culture or society. Okay, thank you. That can I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.